for this Valentine, you just want to shock your baby. Like you just want to just go to the market. You know all those peas we're talking about, bell pepper, Cameroon tomato. Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen.
Your kitchen? My
Yes.
kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen, guys. Am I privileged? Yeah.
Wow, I really
Make your hair small. Make your hair
My head is
small.
already big enough, madam.
We are privileged to have Oga at the top with us in the kitchen today. Anyways, we are not cooking, even though he owes us a recipe.
What recipe?
You remember?
Which recipe?
Jollof rice. You also show us noodles jollof rice recipe.
Oh, it's called the Gideon's rice.
Oh, the Gideon's
This
rice.
was invented by my humble self.
Okay, so he owes us a recipe. But anyways,
I'll think about it.
It's good to have you in the kitchen.
Yay!
Love is in the air. So
Thank you. It's an honor to be here as well. And
raise your hand. Now wear your ring. I'll go and bring it.
So welcome. My function here is very simple, as I was told. Yeah. So what am I doing again? I forgot. Remind me, please.
Maybe we should cook. We should film a recipe.
Please, no.
Let's just make
I'm
our
here.
dinner.
You cannot. If two chefs cannot have a kitchen.
Wow! I can be a sous chef.
Oh,
I can be a sous chef.
You're not rich.
Maybe we'll film. After this, we'll just cook our dinner together. I'm sure they will like us to. They would like to see us.
When
cook.
we get the feedback from this video, then we'll cook the dinner together.
No, we'll make dinner. After this video, we'll make dinner. If you are for me, say I.
Auntie, before you say I've left this kitchen. Anyway, it's my kitchen. She's my apprentice, my intern.
No.
And tonight, by the way, this very lovely cake I made yesterday. It's special in the sense that it's not normal flour. So this is oat.
You made the cake. I can't remember what
cake.
it is.
You forget things now. Oat cake, right? So just the way you make your normal cake, but just substitute flour for cake. Substitute flour with oats.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is really who is the special guest here? When you are eating, you don't have cut you. Anyway, so today we are going to be telling you about. There are a lot of them, but we're going to be telling you about 5. I want to make from my own, what do you call it now? View, opinion, and whatever it is. So it's not a popular opinion, it's my opinion. I'm going to be listing 5 foods that you as a guy, you want to impress your baby's Valentine. Maybe before Valentine outing. Maybe she comes around on the 12th, 13th. Valentine is on Friday, right? 14th, I think. I'm not sure.
Valentine is coming.
So you want to impress her. This is not for ladies. This video is more for guys. So you want to impress her. Even my guys are married. You just want to wifey.
Actually, it's for guys it's people that are married.
Even if you're unmarried, what do you mean? You go to secondary school before you enter tertiary now.
For everybody, for
every
just
guy.
Food too.
Or even want to just impress your friend or something. Those food that they are very easy to make. The concept is very easy to make food that make you look very pro, like a pro chef. Like a pro chef. What is it now? Calm down.
Cake now.
Special guests, you don't even bring juice to go down with it.
Hey.
Already dry.
My own piece of the cake I'm eating, you have collected.
Yeah, this shows that you can eat your cake and have it. So that's by the way. So yeah, how are we doing it? I'm going to be listing the food and then we'll just give a brief review. Some they're on my wife's channel.
Yeah. Anyone that is not on the channel will be coming up soon.
So yeah, you can visit her channel, YouTube channel, yeyilotvffl, for plenty, over 100 recipes. Trust me that you have to choose from to wow your friends, your babies, and and the rest. So, but for today, I'm going to choose 5 that I have made for her, and then the comments were really mouth-watering. That trust me, I'm not a proud person. I'm very, very humble. Yeah. My humble self.
Humility.
From number one. Okay, no particular order. In no particular order, I'm going to be. I think I'll prefer that.
Okay.
Let's sing that stop now. You want to show us outside? Yeah, we're on a global stage. You don't do this. Okay, first on my list, right? Like I said, in no particular order. First, pancake. Yes, I said what I said. Pancake. There's pancake, and there's pancake. I learned. Okay, pancake. I learned that there's the spongy type that feels like the normal cake, and there's that which the fried one, right?
Both can be fried.
Both can be fried, but what's the difference? What's that thing they add?
Spicy.
Yeah.
There's a spicy type.
Okay, but for me, I prefer the one that is kind of spongy, that feels like cake. So I like it more because it gives cake, bread. I'm a bread lover, so it gives cake, bread feeling at the same time.
Yeah.
And it's really, really very nice. Yeah.
I love both.
Anything that enters the mouth.
I love it. That's why I'm the favorite foodie.
So yeah. All was I saying? Yeah, for pancakes, yeah. Pancake gives simplicity, but yet especially when you serve it alongside something very juicy, like freshly squeezed fruit juice. You see, she's not giving the example. This is what I do. Stop. Yeah, so with freshly squeezed juice, it shows effort. It shows intention. You know, it's very nice. So try it and get
pancakes.
Back
Yeah.
So number one is pancakes.
By the way, I'm owing somebody a pancake recipe. She has been disturbing me for the pancakes I make for her. Choma, if you've seen this video, I'm really sorry. The pancake recipe is coming up soonest. I know I've said this a number of times, but yeah, I'll bring it up soon.
Yeah, Choma. I hope you get your pancake recipe soon.
It will come up soon.
It will get the baby girl the and you know. Number two, I don't know which one should come first, but I think second rather. I would go with, let's do couscous. Couscous is with a minimalist touch. You know those luxury kind of apartments. See all those shouty gold, but it is so cool. That's what couscous gives, but you can feel luxury. That's couscous, and it's very.
What a description!
I'm telling you, it gives a minimalist luxury kind of meal.
Wow!
Yeah. So especially when you add it to all those vegetables, what are we calling them? Bell peppers, carrots,
ballon carrot,
bell peppers,
carrots, green beans, peas.
All those things,
and the rest of them.
Just get them. You can even add peanuts, like granuts, in couscous, fried granuts. Don't mind what she's doing. Listen to me, I'm going to telling you. I'm serious. Because I have not taught you some things does not mean they are not.
Please check out the couscous recipes on the channel. I have about 3 or 4 recipes. And
in all of that, she didn't add granuts. So I'm telling you the latest one. You can only get these things from me. For you not to be misled, check her channel, but try what I'm telling you. You never know. Really, I'm not joking.
Okay.
Have you not seen the way they put granuts and everything in China here?
In China, Abby?
You are talking to a global audience.
Okay.
So yeah. So right at number 3 will be this one. I will not bring it to number 1 because it's my personal favorite. Okay, so let's go to stir fry pasta. The name sounds very, very plenty and very complicated, but it's not that complicated. Trust me. Again, I'll refer you to her channel. Check stir fry pasta. It gives relaxation. It gives cool. It gives husband material. It gives I'll take care of you. I'll be a sweet husband. I will love you till the end.
Wow.
You know, that's stir fry pasta. I've never made it pasta. Even the atmosphere, they agree with what I'm saying. Hence the sound. So, but for real, stir fry pasta gives that. I don't know. It's so easy to make, but you appreciate. I don't know how to put it, but there's some form of wow. This person really cares.
Like it shows effort, like you said.
Yeah.
The fact that you have to chop the vegetables in a nice way, parboil it.
Yeah, again, chop the vegetables in a nice way. Dice them really nicely, and then they'll come out really dicey. No, not dicey. Okay, the joke didn't come out well. Scrap that. Scrap it. So for your stir fry not to be dicey, dice the vegetables very nicely.
Oh shit!
So yeah, that will go stir fry pasta. It's not also difficult to make. You can check her YouTube channel or contact me directly. I can give you some tips.
Oh shit! He has actually made stir fry pasta. And it was really delicious.
I know. Stop. Now we're right. Stop. Okay. Yeah. So number four, I'll go with this one. She made it for me when I was sick. Yeah, I think a few months into our wedding.
Really?
After our wedding, yeah, you made it for me. I was sick, and then it was medicinal. It can relieve your blood pressure.
You said before our wedding or after?
After.
Because before.
After our wedding. So yeah, when we had moved. So yeah, she made it. It's medicinal. It takes care of cold, and it's anti-cold, and it's anti-fever. It's anti everything that doesn't go well with your body, right? Your BP, you can even reduce your BP, but this is not a medical advice.
Even though he's a medical doctor.
No,
you want to deny your profession.
It's not a medical advice, like I'm saying. Please
don't take his word for it.
Disclaimer. So this coming in strong at number 4 is Irish potato pepper soup. So she made it with chicken, but I think you can substitute chicken for beef or for
goat meat. Number 1.
Goat meat. I'll advise goat meat, and you can also substitute the Irish for plantain, for yam. Yeah. Just make sure this one I can give you the recipe even here now. Just make sure you get. Babe, where are all those spice? Let me tell you, pepper soup spice. No, that one.
The one that we've not blended yet.
The unblended. Yeah, to tell you, pepper soup is good. That's how much we take this recipe in this house. How serious we take this recipe in this house. See the spices, they have their own rack. So don't play, or else you're gonna learn.
We're not playing here. We need to play.
Yeah, so our pepper soup is really nice with just substitute if you don't have Irish, you can use yam, which I think is more common. Yeah, yam or plantain. Unripe plantain, yeah.
Yeah, unripe plantain is better.
Yeah, it's actually very nice, and
or in between ripe and unripe.
When you are cold, you can use it. If you are feverish, it helps maybe when you're just recuperating from any illness. Yeah, it can help
activate your taste buds. Yeah.
Disclaimer: this is not a medical advice. This is just what I've felt. I'm sharing with my friends.
Okay.
With my wife's community.
Okay.
All right, then. Yeah, and it's actually one of my best.
Oh.
But this one coming in hard. Number 1.
Coming in hard.
And it's really number 1. Can you just do your gospel thing and leave this thing for?
My gospel thing.
Yes, now this is not gospel. It doesn't suit you. We are doing Afrobeat.
Afro gospel now.
Oh, there's Afro gospel. Sorry, great man. Great man. I'm sorry. Anyway, so number 1 will come in Irish. I love Irish so much. Yeah, I love Irish. Irish potato, boiled Irish potato with fried egg sauce. Now, the idea is simple, classy, and effort, right? This comes first for all of that.
This is actually your favorite.
It's actually my favorite.
All-time favorite. Like
it's quick, it's filling, it's.
Even if you don't know how to cook, you cannot disappoint.
It's romantic. For this Valentine, you just want to shock your baby. Like you just want to just go to the market. You know all those peas we're talking about, bell pepper, Cameroon tomato. All those, you don't need all of those. You just get your.
You can actually add bell peppers to the fried eggs to give it some class.
2 eggs and sorry, guys. We are sorry. It's still New Year here.
Chinese New Year celebration.
Chinese New Year. So yeah, get your bell pepper, whatever, but just basic frying of egg with Irish, boiled Irish, not fried Irish. Listen, not fried. Fried Irish is dankali for Hausa people. Dankali, yeah.
Actually, dankali chips.
Dankali chips. So just get dankali, yeah, to do. Yeah. So just get Irish, boil it. Don't boil it to be too meshy. Just very well cooked, and then fry eggs and make sure you drop your comments here when you do that for that special person. All right, come back to this channel and tell us the wonders.
Yo.
So tell us in your comment section. Is it their comment section or our comment, or in the comment section?
In the comment section.
Okay, so tell us in the comment section which is your favorite. That's it.
Yeah.
Which one is your favorite? Which of these is your favorite? And you can try the 5 and get feedbacks, and also come back here and give us feedback. Okay. So let's see which one was actually, maybe from your comments you can actually rank the meals and see. And again, if maybe there's something you think that should be on this list and it's not there, you can
like
also
a quick fix, something that shows love, shows effort. You get it.
Yeah. So you can add it. I'll put the description in the box. No, sorry, I see that part. See that part.
What do you want to say actually?
I don't know. But then YouTubers.
Okay.
You
all
always
details will be in the description box.
There's always something in the description box.
A rundown of the meals he has scored will be in the description box. So if you want to refer to them, and the recipes of some of these meals will be, the links to those recipes will also be in the description box, so you can check them out. Yeah, and let us know what you think.
That thing she just said. Also, refer to her channel, yeyilotvffl, for many beautiful recipes. So yummy, trust me. I've tasted all the recipes. I'm not saying this but it's because they are actually very nice. You can try them out and subscribe, like, and
share.
Turn
on post notification if you've not. And we'll see you in another video.
Really what I am now. Bye.
But give me the tip. Oh, babe.
I love your show.
Romantic now. Ha.
Let me thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.